Hi, Michelle.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did. Hello everyone, welcome to the first ever Mountain Creek vlog. This is going to be a series where I upload videos, kind of like a little bit of a day in the life, but always going to Mountain Creek for snowboarding. And just doing it for fun. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll see. And today we're picking up Michelle. Oh my gosh, how's it feel to be on the other side?
I have to vlog too.
Yeah, we'll do it. Oh, I just saw my dad. That was weird. He was walking from over there. And she was like, hello? And then it was my dad. But yeah, so hopefully this will be a series. There should be many more. I'm going up to Creek a lot. Got a season pass this winter. And Michelle in.
Stop, you're driving. Fall off the ski lift.
Why you're not gonna fall off the ski lift? So we just got to Mountain Creek and we're about to head up there. Let's do it. All right, so
we up here.
Shut up.
Snowboarding. Woo!
All right, so yeah, first run at Mountain Creek this season. It's a nice gray day, so no good footage.
I want footage of me falling so I can put it on my Instagram. I'm gonna fall when we get off the lift. My reverse sound technology headphones, sponsored by, I can't put it in right now.
So it's starting to rain, so we're probably gonna head out soon. I'm gonna toss the GoPro away for a bit.
Sad.
Deuces. You like the mitten deuces? Yeah.
Not cool, Nick.
Subscribe to Michelle and Vlogs. Just don't do it.
Don't do it.
So we just finished up at Creek, and as you can see, it is raining. Wet gang. Wet gang. Yeah, so we're about to head home. Vroom, 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 vroom. Michelle is leaving. Say bye, bye, Michelle. Bye.
Bye, vlog.
Get out of my car.
Sorry. Maybe.
Bye, Michelle. Goodbye. Here we are, back in my car. And we're just gonna drive home and then probably edit the vlog, and that's about it. Hey guys, so before the video ends, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. And I should be posting videos like this maybe once or twice a week, maybe more depending on how much I go snowboarding. I want to post a vlog for every time I go to Mountain Creek, or every time I go snowboarding in general, or it depends where I'm going. Like the video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new here. I'm really interested in hearing about what you guys have to say, so if you want me to have less POV footage and more follow cams, or more of my friends riding, or more of just like B-roll, really interested, so leave it in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching.